Hey Eloc Nation, if this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Sage is an aromatic herb of the mint family. It has pungent edible leaves. It's native to the Mediterranean region, used fresh or dry as a flavoring in many foods, particularly for stuffing in poultry, pork, and in sausage. It can be invasive, so it is a good choice for containers if you don't want it to take over in your garden area. What not to plant near sage? Onions, leeks, shallots, chives. They prefer moist soil, which will not work for sage. Plant sage in an area that gets plenty of sunlight and has rich, well-drained soil. Sage is actually one of those plants that's safe for dogs to consume. Sage repels many garden pests such as snails, cabbage moths, beetles, flea beetles, and carrot flies. Will sage survive winter? Yes, it will. Sage is hardy enough to survive the cold winter outside. The leaves will linger around on the plant, but it won't do any growing. Sage is a perennial in zones 4 through 8, which means it will come back every year. This perennial herb has some promising health benefits. It's high in antioxidants, may support oral health, aid brain function, blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Sage has an earthy, slightly sweet scent. I am going to go ahead and keep loading up these trays with this amazing smelling sage. I have all of the trays loaded. I'm going to get it onto the machine. The scraps will become compost. So let's get to drying. This is straight out of the dehydrator. It's super crispy. The size depends on you. If you like more of a powder, it can be placed into the blender to be grounded down even more. Let's get some tomatoes. Yummy fig. Perfectly ripe. Look at how squishy it is. Delicious. See if I can find another one. Look at that. Eat me, eat me. I think I will. I hit the jackpot. Here's another one. Look at that. Look at it. The ooze and the goose. Look, the tadpoles are eating. No, that's good. I'm about to eat something too. It's so sweet. 2 bites gone. Yummy. I had 4, but I was only able to eat 3 of them. The 4th one was way mushy. I'm looking. There were more underneath here. Look at that. Oh, man. Oh, look how sweet. Look at the ants all over it. Oh, man, they got me. That was supposed to be mine, but I'm going to let them enjoy it. All right, we came out here for tomatoes, green tomatoes, so let's harvest those. Ah, the sun's in my way. Oh, look at that bird up in the sky. Oh, I lost it. Okay, there's one. There's two. Yeah, I better get these. Can you hand me the scissors, please? Thank you, my helper. Hand me the plate, please. I'm gonna put the plate underneath it. Underneath their son. Thank you. And I'm gonna cut and drop it onto the plate. Okay. All right, let's see. There's more. There's another set here. We're gonna grab those. Could you cut that off for me, please, son? I'll hold the plate and you cut. Yeah, perfect, perfect. Be careful not to cut the, all right, thanks, son. You can cut that part off. Thank you, son. Okay, hold that for mommy. Okay. All right, let's see how these are looking. Yeah, those are some nice sized tomatoes. Yeah, we're gonna have some fried green tomatoes. You've never had fried green tomatoes before. You want to try them with me? So you're not gonna eat any fried green tomatoes with your mama?
I'm good.
You're good. Yeah, those bees are out here, aren't they? They love that coleus. They're always buzzing around that coleus. Yeah, that's the coleus stock. Seed production. So I don't have to buy more seeds. I'm going to collect these seeds, going to let them dry out and plant them next spring. It's such a pretty flower. So pretty. This one has all the color. And you were hiding way inside there. Now these three out here that's getting all the sun, nothing. Never count out the underdog. You guys are hanging around, buzzing around. That's lemon balm there, nice and full. I've been working on my herbs this week, harvesting and dehydrating them. So lemon balm is up next. All right, so I've got some flour here. I'm going to season up my flour. I've got just some garlic powder, onion powder, and some of this maple bacon seasoning. And so these are the seasonings that I will be using to flavor up my green fried tomatoes. Stay tuned. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.